Hi, sir.
Hey Ritika, how are you?
Wait, sir. My day is great, sir. And how is your day?
My day is good. How? Okay. So where are you now? Are you on the terrace or where are you?
Yes, right now on the terrace again.
Okay, very good. So are you enjoying it there?
I'm enjoying. My father is cleaning downstairs, so I can't sit there.
Okay. Okay, very good. So Ritika, did you have a chance to take a look at today's session material?
Sir,
Yeah.
can you repeat?
Yeah. Did you take a look at today's session material?
Yes, today's topic is exercise.
Yes, very good. And do you understand the meaning of exercise?
I know the meaning, sir. It's very easy.
Very good. Okay. So what is exercise? So what is exercise then?
When we do some activities.
Yes. For example,
For example, my father is running.
okay. So that is
Do you
exercise.
Exercise?
Sorry.
Do you like doing exercise?
Yes, I do.
I think you can't hear me, sir. Can
No,
you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Yeah. Yeah. So so what are the different types of exercise?
There are so many, sir. Jumping,
Okay.
running. There's one exercise, jumping jacks.
Jumping jack. Okay.
Jacks.
Okay.
Then we and jump.
Okay. And what other exercises are there?
There are so many. I don't remember the names.
Okay. All right. So what exercise do you do?
I like doing running, jumping,
Okay.
and skipping.
Skipping. Okay, very good.
That's same.
Sorry?
Which exercise do you like?
Me?
Yes.
I like jogging.
Hmm.
Yeah. I like jogging, and yeah, that's what I do. Okay.
Only jogging, sir.
Mostly only jogging. I do some other exercise also, but not every day.
Even that's the same with me. Right now, I'm on holiday, so I don't do exercise. I just go on the terrace, take some sunlight, and run here and there. That's also exercise.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay. So in school, do you play any sports? Do you play any games in school?
Yeah, we play.
What games do you play?
There's when we put the bottle in the middle, and two people will come. We have to make two groups.
Okay, one second. Sorry. You said two peoples will come, right? So you don't say two peoples will come. You say two people. There's no S, okay?
Yes, remember. Two people will come.
Yeah.
And when teacher will say touch your head, so we have to touch head. And whenever she say touch the bottle, someone must try to catch it, the boys or the girls.
Okay.
So who was winning? The boys, because ma'am said you are laughing. You must know. You must watch how they are doing.
Okay.
Do you do any sport?
Ritika, I didn't understand this game. How I didn't understand. You said there's a bottle, and then what happens?
I'm going to repeat it from starting.
Yeah.
We have to put a bottle in the middle.
Okay.
Two people will come. Boy, we have to make four group: A and B. Boys and girls group.
Okay, so there are two groups. Two groups. Okay.
So one boy and one girl will come, and teacher will say fast, touch your head. So you have to touch it fast. If
you have to touch your head.
No, she will not. She will not only say head. She will say knee. Sometimes she can say back.
Okay. Okay, and then
when teacher say touch the ball, so you have to run fast as you can and touch the wall or the window, whatever she say. And when last one is last one she will say bottle. So everyone must the small kids must, or the big elders who are playing this game, they must try to grab the bottle fast.
Okay.
And another game we played, Langdi, that's very easy. You know that.
Lungry tongue?
Yes. Other some 3 or 4 people will come and run around something.
Yeah.
And another one has to do Langdi. Or sometimes he don't. If he say to ma'am, it's very easy. So he has to jump and try to catch them.
Okay. Okay. I used to play, I think I may have played this many years ago, but I've forgotten how to play this game.
Oh, it's very easy, sir.
It is?
Yes.
Okay.
And another game, there are so many games.
Yeah. What other games are there?
Very fun. We have to again make 2 groups, boys and girls.
Okay.
And at the time my teacher will make all on the board some line A, B, A and B, and she will ask the games.
Yeah.
Like if someone repeat the same game.
Yeah.
One girl said what? Langdi. So another boy said Langdi. So the boy got 0 and the girl got 1. So that's a very fun game.
Okay.
It's chess also.
You play chess also?
Yes, in school.
Very good.
But not now.
Not
Because
now?
Boys are always, when the game ma'am comes, they will get up and say Vande Mataram and they will be excited and they will start dancing. So ma'am say no, dance game and dance class are cancelled. So we never have dance and game class.
Oh, okay.
That's so sad. Sir, do you play any games?
No, I don't play any games.
You can play that bottle game. It's very fun.
Okay. Okay. And yeah, I used to play table tennis. Do you know how to play table tennis?
Yeah.
Do you like table tennis?
No, I hate that. Near my here in Sagar, there's one auntie. She used to call us to have lunch. After eating lunch or breakfast, she will say playtime. And some kids, my friends used in Sagar, I have some friends, they used to play that. And I used to always, I didn't understand the game, so I don't like it.
Okay. Okay. And how about badminton? Do you play badminton?
No.
Do you know what badminton is?
It's just we threw a chidiya and we have to hit it.
Okay. We don't say, okay. Okay. We don't throw a chidiya.
So what do we do?
What we do is you don't say through. You say we throw.
We throw.
Yeah, because it is present tense. And you sorry. Sorry. I was getting a phone call. So I was saying that we don't say through, we say throw. Okay. And we don't call it a chidiya, we call it a shuttlecock.
What?
Shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock.
Yeah, that is badminton. Okay.
Do you play badminton?
I used to play when I was a child, like you.
My father and I, whenever we go outside, we take our bat and what did he say? To chidiya. What do we call it?
Shuttlecock.
Yes. And we play. My father also does that. He's also a grown up, but he also still play.
Okay. Okay.
So
very
you
good.
can play.
Sorry?
You can also sometimes play.
Yeah, yeah, I can, but I don't have anyone to play with actually. So, yeah.
Why don't you answer?
I don't know. I just don't have. So, and I don't get it. I don't get time also to play. I just go jogging and that's it. Yeah.
In your house, you may have a skipping rope. You can do skipping.
Yes, I can do skipping. That's true. Good idea.
You can also teach me skipping. I am not best at skipping.
Okay. Okay. All right. So now, so what exercise did you say you do? You said you do running, right? What exercise do you do?
Running.
Yeah. And what else?
there's one exercise.
Yep.
Our head is on the ground and our
Yes.
in the sky.
Yes. What is that called?
I don't remember.
Yeah, that is called. Okay, I also don't remember what it's called actually.
My one day someone told me that how to do it.
Yes.
I tried. I bumped my head.
Okay, you bumped your head. Okay. Okay.
Have you tried that exercise?
Yes, yes, I have done that, but many years ago. Yeah.
My father even can't do it.
He can't do it. Okay.
Yes. How can you do it?
I did many years ago when I was a child, like you. At that time, I did it. That's many years ago. So.
Oh, my father always lift me up.
He always lifts you up.
Yes. So one time I got hurt here. Oh.
Oh. Okay. So in your school, do you have a gym there?
Gym? No, we have to do exercise in my school. One day we do one exercise. We have to how boys do.
How boys do what?
Like this, how they do. They put their hand on the ground, legs also on the ground, and they go up and down like a seesaw. We did that.
Okay.
No girls could do that. They were just the girls were saying, "Ma'am, I can't do it. Sir, I can't do it."
Okay. So where do you play in school? Do you have a playground?
Yeah, playground we have. When I was in 3rd class, that was my favorite thing.
Okay.
Because there was some Monday, whenever Friday come, we go to the playground and I climb. There is a ladder near the tree. We have to climb, and there is a net on the ground. So we like a snail. We do like a snail. Even there are some tires which we can go inside and come outside. That's so fun.
Okay, so on Friday you go to the playground?
Not anymore, because I'm not in 3rd class. I'm in 4th.
Okay, so last year you used to go to the playground on Friday.
Yes, it's.
And then what did you do on the playground?
We can do anything. We can even do exercise. We can do running. We can play. We can do anything. My sir will makes. If we want to climb the stairs, we stand and.
We stand.
They never let us try again and again.
Okay.
I liked it and try. When we have to climb, there were some mangoes on the tree because it was a mango tree.
Yeah.
The mangoes were looking so tasty.
So you used to climb the tree?
Yeah.
Okay. And that was last year. And this year, what do you do?
In this year.
Yeah. In 4th standard, what do you do?
In 4th standard.
Yeah.
There are craft we do. That in 3rd standard, we never used to do craft on Wednesday or Thursday.
Right. And now you do craft.
Now we can do whenever any festival come. Christmas is around the corner, so we are going to make something. Okay.
Okay. So now do you go to the playground in school, or you don't go to the playground anymore?
The playground was there are some holes inside.
Okay. So you don't go to the playground anymore?
Not anymore. It was fun playing in the playground.
Okay, you don't say fun. Sorry, you don't say fun playing in the playground. You say it was fun playing on the playground.
On the playground. On the playground.
Yeah, because you're on top of the ground, right?
Yes, I'm on top, not in the ground.
Yeah, you're on the ground. It was fun playing on the ground.
Do you have a playground?
No, I don't have a playground.
Oh.
Yeah. So now that means this year you can't go to the playground?
Not anymore. It's very boring staying in the class. Only writing. whenever English class comes, we got to write Hindi, Marathi, whichever class comes. But on Wednesday was my best day. On Wednesday was my maths class. So maths class was cancelled. We did, my maths ma'am still came and we were so sad. We said, oh no, again maths class. But it was cancelled. Then ma'am said, okay, stand in a circle. Then we said, ma'am, what are we doing? Then ma'am said, we are going to do something which we have to pass she gave her she gave the marker to us to hold, and we were passing it. I don't like dancing, so I was passing it fast. All the boys and girls were doing it fast because no one in the class know dancing. But one boy who is fond of dancing. There is one song. I don't know the song because it's very funny. When we hold like this, it was very funny.
Okay.
He was just walking here and there. Then one boy said, "Oh no, he's just walking here and there," and then suddenly he started to dance. It was so boring watching him walking. We do like this shape.
Okay.
Shape. Like a fawn.
Okay.
Another girl danced on the Ram and Sita's dance.
Okay.
There was one Ramji ki kripa se, that one. She was dancing on.
Okay.
People started. All the boys and girls were copying her. Then said, even ma'am was copying.
Okay.
And we said, when one girl whispered in my ear, "Oh, ma'am was also having fun. Ma'am also wants to do some dancing." So one girl, "Ma'am, can you show your favorite dance?" So she did one dance. I don't remember the song.
Okay.
She was dancing. All the kids were laughing. And she was saying, "Oh no, ma'am also does dancing." We did something funny in my school. My Hindi ma'am was writing. There was one song. And you know what? When she was writing, she was walking so funnily.
She was
my favorite, my father's favorite song. You know what is it?
No, I don't know.
Therapy.
Which one? Which one?
I don't remember, sir. It's very funny.
Okay.
Very.
Okay.